So real quickly, I just went ahead and used this mask. It's from Pharmacy and it's a hydrating coconut gel sheet mask. I just used this for the first time, and as you saw, it was a sheet mask and you leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then take it off and you can really put the moisturizer back into your skin. This is my first time trying it. It really works really well. My skin feels so soft and really smooth. And I normally have like grayness and dryness right here. Before I do my makeup, I normally just put on a moisturizer and then let it set and then go in with primer. But today I went and used this mask to try it out because it's been sitting in the background. So why not use it? And so I did, and I really noticed right here, it's super hydrated and it's like I can touch it and my skin isn't creasing right here. And I just went ahead and put on some primer. Anyways, getting back to this mask, this is paraben free, formaldehyde free, synthetic fragrance free. Yeah, it didn't have a smell. It is mineral oil free, and I mean, my face doesn't feel oily or anything, and that's one of my problems, and that's why I don't really like to put on moisturizer, because I feel like it leaves like a greasy texture, and that's not how my skin feels. And it is cruelty free, so that's perfect. But yeah, like definitely check this out. I got this in my Ipsy subscription. You can probably find it online, maybe Ulta, Sephora, but I definitely recommend using the hydrating sheet mask from the brand Pharmacy. If you have dry skin, like, this really works. I'm really surprised right now.